Herb benefits of white chana, boiled chickpeas. White chana is very nutritious and healthy for all age groups. Green salad nutritional benefits. High in protein, helps build muscles and body strength. Rich in fiber, improves digestion and prevents constipation. Good source of iron, helps prevent weakness and anemia. Contains calcium and magnesium, strengthens bones and teeth. Rich in folate, vitamin B9, important for pregnancy. Beating heart health benefits. Controls blood sugar, low glycemic index, good for diabetes. Improves heart health, reduces bad cholesterol, LDL. Helps in weight control, keeps you full for longer. Boosts immunity, contains zinc and antioxidants. Improves energy levels, good natural energy food. Pregnant woman, benefits in pregnancy. Supports baby's growth due to protein and folate. Helps prevent constipation, common in pregnancy. Supports healthy hemoglobin levels. Always eat boiled chana, not fried, and in moderate quantity. Baby benefits for children. Helps in physical growth. Improves brain development. Keeps stomach healthy. White heavy check mark, best way to eat. Boiled chana salad. Mixed with vegetables. Added in sandwiches, chaat or curries. Warning tip: soak overnight and boil well to avoid gas and bloating. If you want, I can also tell. Best time to eat white chana. How much to eat daily? White chana versus black chana comparison. Here's a simple, healthy bread egg sandwich recipe with boiled potatoes and white chana chickpeas, seedling cooking. Very filling and good for energy. Bread egg sandwich with potato and white chana. Ingredients: bread slices, 4. Eggs, 2. Boiled potatoes, 1 medium, mashed or finely chopped. Boiled white chana, a ½ cup, lightly mashed. Onion, 2 tablespoons, finely chopped, optional. Green chili, 1 finely chopped, optional. Salt to taste. Black pepper, a ¼ teaspoon. Red chili powder, a pinch, optional. Turmeric, a pinch. Oil or butter, 1–2 tablespoons. Fresh coriander, 1 tablespoon, optional. Method: 1. Prepare the filling. In a bowl, add boiled potato and boiled white chana. Mash lightly, don't make it too smooth. Add salt, black pepper, red chili, turmeric, onion, green chili, and coriander. Mix well and keep aside. 2. Cook the eggs. Beat eggs with a pinch of salt and pepper. Heat pan with a little oil. Make a simple omelet and cut it into sandwich-size pieces. 3. Assemble the sandwich. Place omelet on 1 bread slice. Spread potato, chana mixture over it. Cover with another bread slice. 4. Toast. Heat pan, apply butter or oil. Toast sandwich from both sides until golden and crispy. Serving tips: serve with ketchup, green chutney, or yogurt. Can be eaten breakfast or light dinner. Health note: high in protein, egg plus chana. Good fiber and energy. Suitable for pregnancy and diabetes. Use brown bread and less oil. If you want, I can also share. No toast version. Spicy street style. Air fryer version.